how to highlight every other row in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel, select the table, and then go to conditional formatting in the home tab. Go to new rule and then tap on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then go to the table and then type in is odd and then open the bracket, type in row, then put in empty brackets and close the bracket. Now go to format, choose the color to fill and then hit OK. Hit OK again. And there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.